Welcome to the third video in the IAF e-reading tutorial series. In this video, we will walk you through all the e-collections available on the IAF e-reading platform. The IAF subscriptions tab here gives you access to premium e-resources subscribed by the Indian Air Force. You will also find the CAS Reading List here, which is a curated collection of ebooks recommended for IAF personnel. You also have access to JSTOR, which includes more than 34,000 journals, ebooks, security briefs, white papers, and reports. In addition, you can browse more than 7,000 newspapers and magazines through PressReader and over 10,000 publications through Magzter. The platform also provides access to over 20 professional journals, including Air Power, CAS Journal, and Bharat Chokti. The Strategic Defense and Security Studies package from Taylor and Francis gives you full-text access to some of the most renowned defense and strategic studies journals, including the RUSI Journal, Survival, and the Military Balance. In the RefRead collection, you will find a large collection of open-access journals, ebooks, expert talks, theses, and more. Accessing any of these resources is simple. Just click on the publisher or collection you would like to explore. For example, if I click on PressReader here, the platform displays all the publications available through PressReader. You can refine your results using filters such as media type, language, place of publication, or category. When you click the Read button, you will be taken directly to the PressReader platform and get automatically authenticated as an authorized IAF user. This is how you get full-text access to articles and publications from anywhere, at any time, and on any device. Under Browse by Media, you can explore resources by format, including audiobooks, classics, ebooks, e-journals, newspapers, and magazines. For example, if I select Magazine, I can browse more than 14,000 publications. Clicking the Read button gives you full authenticated access directly on the publisher's platform. You can also switch between different view styles, browse resources alphabetically using the A to Z listing, or use filters to narrow down the search results. In addition to subscriptions, the platform also hosts curated collections. In these collections, you will find over 2 lakh white papers, security briefs, articles, and talks from 60+ think tanks, including IDSA, CAPS, and the Brookings Institution. More collections will continue to be added for you to explore. This concludes our overview of the e-collections and how you can browse and access thousands of e-contents seamlessly on the platform. In the next video, we will show how you can use the search feature effectively to discover books, journals, articles, and other e-resources. Thank you for watching.